Hello, gentlemen. This is the last video of part 3 for Flash web display object detection of YOLO-V8 to web page by post method. I'm opening YOLO-V8 object detection in Flash, and I will open index and for you to see on the show course everything I will put on YouTube for you to read and learn from this. Python is very good program um, for learning computer vision, so that I am doing this. So I will try to start the server. A server already start, so let's see. Okay, client already restart. Okay, there are three options. If you start live feed from your webcam, or you upload video, or the third, you can object detection from image. So let me try to start from object detection from image. I can detect the people from image. Let me check this pictures uploaded. Now this is not online, so the object detection when you upload the pictures to server, and during upload the picture will be like running through YOLO and detect object, and after that it will plot. It means that it will draw rectangle and name is on the page. Let me see. Open another page. Because I am doing. Let me try this. In upload. You know that bottle cup. So let me check the code. Okay, predict frames. So device 0. So it predict everything from. Okay. Let me try to open another picture. How about this one? Upload. Okay, there are many things from here. Chair, refrigerators, bottled water, chair, person, a refrigerator, person. So if I only detect person, I'm doing here, I put class uh, 0, and then it only detect person, and I need to put comma here and refresh, reset the page, restart server, and I reset the client, upload the pictures. I'm try doing this. There are many pictures from here. Okay, the picture is upload. Let me check. Already start. The problem is from here. What 5,000 low cohort. Trying to upload the pictures from here. Okay. Okay, person detects. Let me open another pictures. During COVID-19. Let's sit down, please. Okay, let me try to start a video object detections. But let me try one more picture. Let's try to upload a hotel where I live during workings. Car in traffic light, not traffic light. In Radisson, in the hotel I work and live here for 5 years, nearly 5 years. I try to choose another pictures. Lord, or is there many person in here? Let me give you upload keyboard dining. Oh, what problem? I remember I already lost frames. Generated frames live. Upload pictures. This video object detection class 0. Okay. Let me try to start videos. Okay, choose videos. And I try to choose this one, submitted. Okay, now the video is playing. So the problem is now is the web page refresh continuously, because if you use the feed web host method, then this will refresh continuously the page. But let me check the resources using this 30% only, 30%, 16% GPU. That is good, very good. That is a big facility from my company before. Come here to see. Object detection. Okay, now I just refresh this page. I try to upload one more pictures and see what happened with it. Upload object detection. There are some people here are not detected. And I choose another pictures. Let me try to choose this upload. Okay, now already start object detection on image and video. Now I start my webcam. Okay, webcam is resolution is too big, so let me resize this. Waiting for some time, I need to resize. Do not do anything. This stop. Let me check and resize. Okay, here I need to resize frame from here. If success, no, do not touch here. Come here. uh, results. I need 2 frames. Okay, I will resize the frames. Normally, if you want to resize, you can use um, import in immune tools, and from here resize. Where is this video? Upload videos. Can remove this and frames. Okay, if I do like this, I write to start applications. And I start my Python client. Refresh this. And start live feed. Oh, it's still big. Let me stop it. 600, 800 only. Let me see what happened with this frame view escape. There's a problem. Let me see on HTML file. Yes, here, 100%. Put it back, please. I need to remove this. I write this 50%, 50%, and 50%, and save. Let me see with live feed. Okay, now we have the solutions. 50%. I already removed. I already reduced the. Mm, but the problem is, let me put here. 80% is better. 80, 80%, and save it. Let us refresh this again. Server is not starting. Let's start server. And from client, we need to refresh. Okay, now the video is feeding with the size is 80%. So I'm doing object detections on this. So if I put my mobile phone here, it will detect mobile phones. If I put mouse, it detect mouse or remote. So however, if I put a cup, it will detect cup. Oh no, toilet. It's detect toilet cup. Sometimes cup will think it's toilet. If I put one bowl, if I put one water bottle, it will detect water bottles. Anyways, my cell phone here. Thank you very much. Complete the video for demonstrate. But let me see the resources using during this 38%. Let me try to stop this. And I do object detection on video one more times. Because if I put one more videos here, submit. Okay, you see the person were detected inside your web page. It look good, very good. But the problem is you this kind of um, methods. You see the web page, you refresh continuously, so you cannot do anything during the video running. You only watch video. So another, if you want to do some function or some job here, it cannot be because the web page continuously refresh. So you can do this with another thing like you open two page localhost, another two page like this. You can do some functions here, but during the video running, inside the video you cannot do anything. Okay, the video is long enough is already. Thank you very much for your watching my program today. I will upload complete program to my website, so you can my YouTube channel, you can download it to learn. Thank you very much and goodbye. One more thing, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel to encourage me in making more video. Thank you very much.